it brings back a lot of memories. It actually feels like yesterday, because when we first did this building, we dropped down from the roof and we rappelled with boxing chairs and rope. We didn't have water fed poles and all that kind of stuff. And this was one of the first big projects I got, you know, coming off of a construction clean, and it was pretty cool. So we're back here 2 years later, and that's what happens when you do good work. They have you come back, you know, annually or every 2 years. But this was a great deal. It was very eye-opening. So yeah, this project, we were here 2 years ago, man, and we literally cleaned all this tile. Like, we acid washed every inch of it. This definitely brings back memories, because, you know, we had a team of a few people here, and we never really done anything like this before. And so it was definitely a challenge for us to be able to take care of this project, because we've never done anything this big before. So I always talk about, you know, take action, action, action. And then once you take the action, you get results. And once you get some results, then that's when you can really have confidence. You see what I'm saying? I went from small time to big time within 12 months. 12 months, everything changed for my business. And it can happen for you too. But we get stuck in our minds, and we get stuck in the day-to-day activities of what we're doing before, and we forget that there's other options out there. Now, I'm not saying other business options, because what I am saying is stick in your lane, but you can change, you can shift, you know, that's how business works. Like, it's not just it's just not like, I say straight line to success, but sometimes in business, it's just not a straight shot. These have these small little houses right here, okay? And these are still big considering. And now we're doing something like this, okay? And our equipment has changed, everything has changed. I mean, you know, he's able to hit this whole building within, we'll probably get this project done in a week, maybe 2, okay? On the exterior side. Now, when we go in and do a full construction cleanup on this building, we'll be here for 6 months, okay? But now you're talking hundreds of thousands of dollars when it comes to the contract. But he's able to get this project done a whole lot quicker, okay? And we're able to navigate through this a whole lot better, because we got creative in our business, you know? Don't just stick to what's working for you right now, okay? Like, navigate, okay? Look for loopholes that can make you go faster and go bigger. The main message from this, okay, is 2 years ago, none of this was possible, okay? None of this was possible, okay? I didn't have a ton of experience. I didn't have 20 years experience in my industry. I barely became a contractor like 2 years ago, okay? And I was getting I got contracts like this, okay? Because I got resourceful. I literally got the contracts before I even had the contractor's license. Then I went out and got the contractor's license before the jobs landed. But you gotta take a leap of faith, and you gotta try something new in your business if you wanna explode it exponentially. Don't worry, don't stress, because you don't know what's gonna happen 2 years from now. You know, 2 years from now, where you're at right now, it might not be the same, you know? And you might have tons of abundance in your life. So don't worry about the now in your situation. Worry about what's gonna happen 2, 3, 4 years from now.